Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to review the AOCHUAN 3-axis handheld gimbal stabilizer, the SmartXE, designed for smartphones. If you're into TikTok, vlogging, or just want smooth videos, this might be a game changer for you. Let's dive right in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to review the AOCHUAN 3-axis handheld gimbal stabilizer, the SmartXE, designed for smartphones. If you're into TikTok, vlogging, or just want smooth videos, this might be a game changer for you. Let's dive right in. The SmartXE gimbal is compatible with both iPhone and Android devices. It boasts a 3-axis stabilization system, which means your videos will be buttery smooth. One of the coolest features is the AI face tracking. This allows the gimbal to automatically follow your face, making it perfect for vlogs or TikTok videos. I tested the gimbal with my phone, and I have to say, the stabilization is impressive. The AI tracking works seamlessly. I moved around, and the gimbal kept me centered in the frame. It also has multiple modes, like pan follow and lock mode, which are easy to switch between via the app. The gimbal connects wirelessly to your phone via Bluetooth. The app is user-friendly, offering additional controls, gesture shooting, and face tracking options. Plus, it supports TikTok shooting with quick stabilization for those spontaneous videos. Battery life is solid, lasting around X hours on a full charge. Charging is quick via USB-C, and the gimbal is compact enough to toss into your bag for on-the-go filming. Pros: excellent stabilization, AI face tracking, lightweight and portable, easy-to-use app controls. Cons: slight learning curve for new users. Battery life could be longer depending on usage. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.